So Neuhardt here, continuing to talk about the basic terminology of personal injury cases. The plaintiff in a personal injury case is the injured person. So that would be you. Or if someone unfortunately was killed in the accident, then it would be the heir to that person. The defendant in a personal injury case is in an auto accident, for example, typically the individual that was at fault for the accident rather than the insurance company, or if it was a business, then the business would be the defendant. The next term in a personal injury case is called discovery. Discovery is a complicated process. Both the plaintiff and the defendant will send what's called written discovery, which is a number of questions, requests for documents, and so forth that are sent by both the plaintiff and the defendant, requesting a number of anything that's really related to the case. After the receipt of the documents related to written discovery, the attorneys in a case will frequently take what's called a deposition. A deposition is sworn testimony under oath, typically in a conference room of one of the attorneys, where a court reporter takes down everything that is said by both the attorney asking the questions and the person that's being asked the questions, which is called the deponent. The purpose of a deposition is for the attorneys on both sides to clarify what happened in the accident. So the plaintiff's attorney would take the deposition of the person that was at fault for the accident, and then the defense attorney for the defendant or the insurance company would take the deposition of the plaintiff to find out what their injuries and damages are. Next concept to talk about is called the settlement conference. After written discovery is completed and depositions are taken, it's not incumbent for the parties to engage in what's called a settlement conference. Settlement conference is typically where a representative of the insurance company comes to a meeting, and it's parties are typically in separate rooms, and the plaintiff is there with their attorney, and each party makes offers and counteroffers to try and settle the case. It's common among attorneys for them to tell the respective clients at a settlement conference that no one walks away happy. This is typically because the plaintiff does not get as much money as they wanted for the settlement, or the insurance company ends up paying more money than they anticipated to settle the case. Nonetheless, this lends finality to the case because the case is finally settled. A good personal injury attorney will be skilled at presenting the strengths and weaknesses of their case to the mediator. The mediator is an attorney usually that is in charge of trying to settle the case and will relay the offers and counteroffers to try and settle the case. Furthermore, the mediator will put the case in perspective to either side and get them to better understand the strengths and weaknesses of their case. If a settlement conference fails, then the parties will typically proceed to trial in the case. A scheduling